In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Samsung TV if it won't connect to Wi-Fi. I'm going to show you several different methods for fixing this problem. Okay, the first thing you want to try here, and it's probably the simplest of all the methods, and in most cases this will actually work. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds, don't be impatient here, wait the whole 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. Now this is a lot different than switching the remote on and off, so do it from the wall plug. If this solves your problems, then great. If not, let's go ahead and go on to the next method. The next thing to do would be to make sure that your software on your TV is up to date. Grab your remote, go to Settings, go to Support, go to Software Update, then select Update Now. This will update anything new that your TV needs to get it running to its peak performance. If this doesn't fix your problem, then let's go ahead and move on. Let's check the DNS settings. Grab your remote, click on the Settings button, then click General, then Network, then Network Settings, IP Settings, and where it says DNS Settings, select Enter Manually. And then where it says DNS Server, enter 8888. That's 4 8s. If this doesn't do the trick, then this last method probably will fix it. However, this is a factory reset. So this will restore your TV to the exact way that it was whenever you took it out of the box and bought it brand new. What you want to do is grab the remote and click on the Home button. Then go to Settings, Support, Self-Diagnostics, then Reset. Well, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and hit a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.